For this problem, we're going to use a formula C equals 5 over 9 times F minus 32 to find the Celsius temperature equivalent to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It's because we know what the degrees in Fahrenheit is, we can use this and substitute it into the equation for F. So once we do that, we're going to have C equals 5 over 9 times, instead of writing F, we're going to write 72 minus 32. Now, I do want to mention that this formula doesn't change. It stays as it is anytime that you want to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that equation doesn't change, okay? What is going to change is the temperature, and so you just substitute that to F. All right, now order of operations. My order of operations says that I should always take care of whatever is inside of the parentheses first before anything. So 72 minus 32 is 40. Good. And so now we have 5 over 9 times 40. And remember that parentheses means multiplication, so we're multiplying times 40. Now, if you recall how to multiply fractions, that means multiply the numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. This 40 doesn't have a denominator, but we know that any whole number, we can make it a fraction if we put a 1 under it. So now we have 5 over 9 times 40 over 1. So let's multiply straight across, and we get 200. 5 times 40 is 200 over 9. And let's divide that so we can get a decimal. So we have 200 divided by 9. This is my side work. 9 goes into 22 times. 2 times 9 is 18. So let's subtract. I borrow 1, this becomes a 1, so this is 2. I bring down the 0, so again I get 20. And so 9 goes into 22 times, and we know that's 18, and we take that away, borrow. So if we continue to do this, we're gonna notice that this is gonna be a pattern. So this is, again, when I add a decimal to have more decimals, I can add a 0, and again we get 20. So we know this is going to go in 2 times, and so on. We're always going to be getting that 2, so it's a continuous. To do so, to represent a continuous decimal, you can write a little line on top of the number that repeats itself. So we know that 72 degrees Fahrenheit is 22.2 degrees Celsius.